Midland, Texas, Landscape Irrigator Bond. What is Midland, Texas, Landscape Irrigator Bond? A landscape irrigator bond is a type of surety bond that landscape irrigators must secure before they can legally perform irrigation services in Midland, Texas. This bond is a guarantee that the irrigator will comply with all local and state regulations regarding irrigation work. The bond is also a form of financial protection for the city and property owners in case the contractor fails to meet these obligations. In Midland, the bond is part of the broader regulatory framework governing landscape irrigators, aimed at ensuring professional standards and preventing substandard work that can lead to environmental issues like water wastage or property damage. Who needs a landscape irrigator bond? Anyone who is applying for a landscape irrigation license in Midland, Texas, needs to obtain this bond as part of the licensing process. Whether you are an individual contractor or run a landscaping company that offers irrigation services, you must meet this bond requirement. The bond protects consumers by ensuring that irrigators operate according to the rules and provides financial recourse in the event of faulty work or legal violations. Bond and cost. The amount of the landscape irrigator bond in Midland may vary based on local regulations or project size, but it is typically set by the city's licensing board. The bond amount reflects the maximum financial protection available in case of claims, not the actual cost of purchasing the bond. The cost of the bond, or the premium, is usually a small percentage of the bond amount, often ranging from 1% to 10%. Depending on factors such as the irrigator's credit score, financial stability, and experience. Irrigators with good credit can expect lower premiums, while those with credit challenges may pay higher rates. Operating as a landscape irrigator in Midland without the required bond can lead to severe penalties, including fines, loss of license, or legal action. Not only does this risk your business's reputation, but it also puts consumers at risk. Being bonded assures both the city and your clients that you are a professional who takes compliance seriously. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.